We have a device today that is a little bit different. It is E Ink, it is note-taking, and it is 10.3, but this is by a brand we have no information about, really. They just sent this to us very recently, and we've never opened this package, we've never reviewed any of their products, so this is as new to us as it is to you guys, but that's what the unboxing's all about, to show you guys what comes in the box. This is the Moaan W7, please excuse my pronunciation if it is pronounced differently in Chinese. You will see that it is running an ARM processor 1.8 GHz, USB Type-C, it has 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity via WACOM, and it is running a 10.3-inch screen with an HD screen, 32 gigs onboard, a huge battery too, 3800 milliamps. Now this is the W7, which means it came out super late 2019, early 2020, which is why we are just getting our sample now. So we're a little bit late to the races, but likely will be one of the few English review channels with any sort of E Ink history reviewing this thing. So let's crack it open and let's see what we have inside the box with this device. We don't know how they package things either because we've never dealt with this company. Very nice, I must say, right out of the gates. Pull tab up top, circle so you can lift the inside, and 2 slots down below for the respective contents. The pen itself, which I don't know how they fit in that small square, and the USB cable. So we're just gonna take this out and see what we have. Oh, there's something in there too. It may even feel like an included case, actually. So let's open this box, and it looks like we do have an included case and no screen protector or anything in the box, but we do have a nice fabric case with a stylus loop as well, and it is branded Moaan right there. So you can open that up, and it is a 4-pointed latch on the corners, no strips or anything. It is made for this device, so that's very nice. You can put that off to the side for now. Another pull strap for the device, put that off to the side for now, and look at the rest of the box. So, oh, I see, it's underneath. So we have our USB cable, and most certainly this is our USB-C as advertised on the box. There you go right there. When we give away this in a contest, perhaps, we will give you the contents of the box, all very nice. Oh, these could be some replacement nibs, perhaps. So we'll just see what's in here. We have a puller tool, 2 different bags of nibs, and 2 grips. Looks like this is one of the only devices that give you grips to date. We also have some information on how to replace everything, so we'll go ahead and just, run over all this in the full review, but this is very interesting. Wow, what a nice looking pen. It's very nice to see pens like this because it is different. It's completely different than even what Onyx is using, Boyu's using. The tip is very nice. It pushes in a little bit. There's no eraser, but you get the sleek design, and it's a 2-tone white. This is more silver flake, and this is more alpine. We're gonna definitely get into that in the full review. And we have some documentation as well. So if you lose your user guide on this device, go ahead and pause the video at any time. You guys can see what you are missing out. So that's the user guide. Now for the device itself. Here it is right here. This thing is assembled in China and designed in Shanghai, it says. So we'll open up the bag. So exciting. Always exciting to get a new device. Ooh, it's weighted very nicely, and it looks like you have a pre-installed screen protector that you are meant to take off. You're not just meant to take that off because it does have a red pull tab on the side. So it's not a screen protector to protect the screen from your writing, it's for shipping purposes. It is flush screen and bezel. It's weighted very nicely. You have some ports, you have the USB port down below with 2 holes. Could be a hard reset or a status indicator light, I'm not sure yet. Doesn't look like there's any SD cards or anything like that, and the power button up top. And that's basically it for the whole device. So if you guys want to stay tuned for some follow-up videos on this, go to youtube.com/goodereader. For now, this is everything that comes in the box. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. And for an unboxing of the W7 by Moaan, this is Peter.